Hi, and welcome to the world according to Larry. Today's video is more of a reveal. I'm recording this at 2 in the morning because I just got back from the gun club. But I have two boxes here, and I need to film this video now. These are from Fast Tech. Can you guess what's in them? So let's take these boxes and put them on the floor because they're heavy and I need to pull the things out. Maybe I just gave it away. The box is labeled with additional parts. I'm going to look for them. There we go. Is this the additional part? I don't know. Anticipation is making me wait. Do, do, do. Look at that, huh? Those are going to look nice on the Camaro. These are the Z28 rims. I like them because of all the open space. It's going to really accentuate the rotors and the calipers. Obviously, I have work to do there. But also, I'm really going for the blackout on the car. No silver wheels. Get so dirty so damn quick. So this is what we're doing. This is the smaller box. I'm going to assume these are the front tires. I'm going to try to find everything I got here. I want to save the boxes because I'm having some difficulty in this whole tire process. Town Fair Tire will not put the tires on these rims because I didn't buy them from them. I think it's pretty stinky. He said insurance reasons. My dealer, on the other hand, said he would do them. But when I told him that there was a piece of metal in one of the tires, then he got all jumpy. Pulled the metal out last night. Realized that it was 12. Actually, I will show you. I'm getting my tires ready so that I can have them mounted onto the new rims, and I discovered something. Right here was a piece of metal. There it is. Now, it's in the beef of the tread, but how big is this? 12.26 millimeters. Is that a big deal? What that equates to, that part of the tread is 5.5 millimeters. That means there was 7 millimeters of depth into the entire wall. And I gotta tell you, I don't feel like fighting with the person who doesn't want to put this on my car. They said these tires are irreparable. So this is a bummer. This means I need to buy another tire, and I'm buying one. I am not buying two. This only has 8,000 miles on it. It's not a cheap tire. I want to save these boxes in case I have to ship these back. I don't suspect I will have to. But just in case. in there. I'm so excited to put these on the car. Now the plan is, eventually these rims will be for the winter tires, which aren't available in the 11 and 10 inch configuration. Only the summer is available in that. So currently I have the winter tires on the silver stock rims, and when I wear out the original tires, minus the one I had to purchase, I will put the winter tires on these rims and buy the bigger rims. Here's the center cap. These are from MRR. These are the Z28 rims. I want something Batman-ish. There it is. Just want to make sure that was there. I have no affiliation with GM Parts Direct. They are so much cheaper. Honestly, I got these from there. They're about 20% cheaper. So these are the tire pressure monitoring. And then you need a nut for each one. So I'm hoping that once all this drama goes away, that I can just swap out winter tires for summer tires. I live in New Hampshire, and summer tires are only good till 40 degrees, and unfortunately it is late April and we are just hitting 40 degrees at night. We've had some warm days, but it was 34 degrees when I woke up this morning. Experiencing the world according to Larry, and I'm Larry, and this is my world. Hopefully you liked today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate all comments. Share it, like it, please subscribe. Hit the notification button so that you're notified when I post new videos. And until next time, I'm in my world.